Wow. Excuse me.
One nugget.
People in two of those would be specific.
Susie. Yes.
Azar. Make us brothers?
Coming to sort of like.
Have a great day.
Hey guys, it's Comedy Shorts game.
Stop being everything. Oh. Oh, not again.
Who's most likely to burp? It is funny. I burp quite a lot, as you might have seen from this video.
Oh, YouTube.
Oh, build up, build up. Can't do it.
Oh man, no one's answering. Did you?
Yeah, okay.
We can have a few burps.
Yeah,
We can have a few
that's-
burps. Right,
It's because
that's
the
good.
first one's always really quiet and then it gets.
But you have to tell me which is going to be your record burp. So, like, I'm ready.
The loudest.
Right.
Okay.
If you just
If
missed
I
that,
can't burp on demand.
Coach Damien over here. Come on, Alfie.
There is no
make this
point
way.
in this. I
Okay.
can't burp.
Sometimes it's gonna start drinking.
Actually, I'm gonna keep my drink.
Iron brew. Anyone for an iron brew to get the juices flowing? There you go. Right. Sorry about this. Carry on.
What, am I just meant to be going? I'm just going. This is disgusting.
You know, you can like hover over the live thing and like come in the room. Wait, just don't vom, yeah?
Okay. That's as loud as I can go.